Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharath here. So, I'm here to provide you the aviation tips and tricks and also the vacancies across India. So, as a part of our journey, I would like to introduce a new job opportunity from a well known airline of India. So, it's none other, it's a IndiGo Airlines a job vacancy. They have released and it's been released just few hours ago. And to not waste your time, let us dive into this opportunity. So, as you see, this job posting date was 4th December 2024. The location will be Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So, company name will be Indigo or Interglobe Aviation, whatever you know it. So, the designation would be executive ramp. So, which means basically your job is going to be in ramp. So, the company has given the job description from their side. First, we'll see the what are the job description. First of all, you have to work in the RAM, so you have to expose to the sun, and you have to get the ETA. Once you confirm the ETA from OCC or system, you have to transmit the ETA to the concerned departments, and you have to get the bay number from APRON and you have to convey to the all stations on ONT and ensure that you are on the bay before D minus 20 with all the equipments required. Note down the touchdown on chalk zone and convey it on RT and align the ramp properly and make sure there are enough coaches available for displaying the passengers and take care that the baggage should reach arrival before the passengers to the terminal. Check the clearing and taking the boarding clearance from the cabin crew and announce it on RT before and also make sure that loading is done as per loading instructions report given by the load and turn staff. And after departure, make sure that all the equipments are sent back to the transport yard. And finally, you have to fill the RAM filing. And during the flight, ensure everyone is smooth and safe and flight is on time. So why I didn't give the description on this particular job role is because we have seen previous videos the same ditto exact job description, so which means the job description is same across India for this concerned airline. So make sure that people any who is looking for a job, even if you ready to relocate, you might also get in this job. So I'll see you in next video. Until then, see you. Tata, bye bye. Thank you.